Welcome to this exploration of one of the most captivating and mysterious aspects of ancient history, the Anunnaki. In this brief journey, we'll delve into the origins of these enigmatic figures and their profound significance in the mythology of ancient Sumer, one of the earliest and most influential civilizations in human history. Long before written language took form, around 3500 BCE, a great civilization blossomed in the region we now know as Mesopotamia, modern-day Iraq. The Sumerians are credited with many firsts in human history, from the development of cuneiform writing to advancements in mathematics, astronomy, and law. Yet, among their most enduring contributions is their rich and complex mythology, particularly the story of the Anunnaki. The Anunnaki are a group of deities in the Sumerian pantheon, often depicted as powerful gods who came from the heavens to influence and shape the fate of mankind. The name Anunnaki roughly translates to those who came down from the heavens, or princely offspring, and their presence looms large in ancient Sumerian texts, including the famous Epic of Gilgamesh and the Enuma Elish. The Anunnaki are said to be the offspring of Anu, the supreme god of the sky, and his consort Ki, the earth goddess. In Sumerian belief, these gods governed various elements of nature and human life, from the skies and the earth to the underworld and everything in between. In Sumerian mythology, the Anunnaki played a pivotal role in the creation of humanity. One of the most significant myths surrounding them involves the creation of human beings to serve the gods. According to the Enuma Elish, the Anunnaki, after a great cosmic struggle, determined that humans would be created from the blood of a slain god to serve as workers, tending to the needs of the gods, especially in the growing of crops and the maintenance of order in the world. The Anunnaki were not just passive gods. They were believed to actively intervene in human affairs, shaping the destinies of kings and nations. They were often associated with the establishment of great cities and empires in Sumer, and their favor was sought by rulers for protection and guidance. One of the most famous Anunnaki figures is Enki, the god of wisdom, water, and creation. He is often depicted as a benefactor of humanity, bringing knowledge, including the art of writing, to the Sumerians. In contrast, his counterpart, Enlil, the god of air and storms, was seen as a more stern and commanding figure who had a hand in determining the fate of cities and rulers. While the Anunnaki were revered as gods of creation and civilization, they were also associated with the underworld. The term Anunnaki sometimes refers to a specific group of deities responsible for overseeing the afterlife and the souls of the dead. In this sense, the Anunnaki were seen as a bridge between the living and the dead, a crucial part of the cosmic order. The Anunnaki have left an indelible mark on the cultural and religious traditions of not just Sumer, but also later civilizations. As the Sumerians' influence spread through the Akkadians, Babylonians, and Assyrians, many of the Anunnaki's characteristics were adopted and integrated into other mythologies, including the gods of the ancient Egyptians and the later Greek and Roman pantheons. Today, the Anunnaki continue to capture the imagination of historians, archaeologists, and enthusiasts of ancient mysteries. Some theories suggest that the Anunnaki may have been extraterrestrial beings coming from another planet or even another dimension, and their involvement in the creation of humanity could point to an ancient encounter between gods and men as depicted in ancient texts. This idea, while speculative, has led to a revival of interest in the Anunnaki, especially in popular culture, where they have been featured in books, documentaries, and films. However, it's important to remember that the Anunnaki, at their core, are part of a mythological framework designed to explain the origins of humanity, the natural world, and the divine order. The Anunnaki are much more than just ancient gods. They are symbols of the mysteries of creation, the eternal struggle between the forces of order and chaos, and the complex relationship between humanity and the divine. By studying the myths and stories of the Anunnaki, we gain insight into the worldview of the Sumerians, who, in their quest to understand the universe, left behind a legacy that continues to fascinate and inspire us to this day.